In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist as a complete beginner. If you're starting your productivity journey or simply want a cleaner way to organize your daily life, this quick guide will help you set up Todoist and start using it with confidence. Once you log into your Todoist account, you land on your dashboard. This is your command center where all your tasks, projects, and deadlines come together. To create your first project, look at the sidebar and select the plus icon next to My Projects. Give your project a name that clearly describes its purpose, choose a color to keep things visually organized, and pick whether you want to view it as a list, a board, or a calendar. These layouts help you work the way you prefer. Inside your project, select Add Task and type the name of what you need to get done. While typing, assign a due date so your deadlines stay visible. If a task is large, break it into smaller subtasks for easier progress. Just choose the main task, select Add Subtask, and add names or due dates as needed. You can also organize your project further by creating sections. Hover below your task list and select Add Section to group tasks in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Tasks you're not ready to place in a project can sit in your inbox, which you'll find at the top of the sidebar. Later, you can move them into the right project with a single click. Todoist also gives you today and upcoming views, helping you keep track of the tasks that need immediate attention. When you complete a task, simply tick the circle beside it. If you ever want to review what you finished, open the menu at the top of your project and select Completed Tasks. And that's it. A fast, beginner-friendly setup that gets you instantly productive with Todoist. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.